In the past 30 days, this Faceless YouTube channel made for kids with animated videos has made over $91,000 to $1.5 million. Guys, this is 1.2 million rand up to 27 million rand every month. As you can see, this video was recorded 10 years ago, but they are still earning from this video. It has over 5 billion users. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto, stocks, and forex. And if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family and thank you for regular subscribers. And it doesn't matter where you come from, you too can make money online. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to make these kind of videos.
Fruit. Let us know in the comments below.
I am going to show you how to create the picture, animate the picture, get the songs, and upload that video. And all of this doesn't cost you a cent. Without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. The thing that you need to do is to get the video ideas and also the script you're going to use in your video. You can either think for yourself or you can use ChatGPT, which is much better. So I am on ChatGPT and I'm going to give it a prompt. Give me 20 simple video ideas for a kid's educational YouTube channel. ChatGPT will actually generate everything that you need. You can just select what you want to focus on. So I am going to focus on fruits, 3 fruits, and then the next thing you're going to write, give me a script on what to say on those videos, and then ChatGPT will tell you exactly what you need, and then you can generate those scripts. So now that you have the script, you can copy this into your document. The second step is to create the pictures for your video. We do this in Canva, so you can go to Canva and type YouTube channel. So it'll give you a template and click create a blank YouTube video. So now that we are here, we are going to go to elements on your left hand side and type fruits. So the type of fruit that you want, I am going to type grapes, and then I am going to click graphic, and then I am going to select the one that I want to use, and then drag it into a timeline, and then go to the next fruit, which is going to be an apple. So I am going to evaluate 3, and the last one is going to be a pear. So I'm just going to search for that as well, and then grab it to the timeline. So now that we have all our fruits, so you just select the one that you want. So I've selected the one with eyes already, but then I am going to show you how to add. And then you search for cartoon feet. So when you get those feet, you basically pull the one. So these ones are on 2. So I'm just going to put it there and click position, and then go grab the hands as well. So hands at least are 1 by 1. So position backwards so that it goes at the back. So now that we have the feet and the hands, so can you see that the feet are facing opposite direction? We do need to change that, but I will show you later on. So now we have to add the eyes. So you basically type cartoon eyes. And once you have that, you're going to place those on top of the fruit. And then you just click edit image. And then you can click crop so that we can separate the legs, because remember those legs are facing opposite direction. And what if this fruit is walking? So you just need to do that. So you can also right click and create duplicate and put it on the other side. So click there and then duplicate. So now that you have 2, you click there and then you click position at the top, and then you put it at the back, because remember the feet must be at the back. So align everything the way you want, and then you'll be able. So when you click, you can also right click and click duplicate as well, and then move the same thing, because imagine having to create this again. You already have the right feet, so you just need to do that again. Position backwards in order for these feet to be at the back. So we have the eyes, we have the hands, but then for the apple, we also need to do the same thing. So I'll just continue doing that, fixing everything that doesn't look right. And then when I am done, I am going to download this. So now let's go back and look for cartoon hands, different hands if you want. So I'm just going to select the ones that are like that. So now that I have the hands, I'm going to select that and then click position. That's where I'm going to select the position. So with the position as well, it will go at the back. And then the next thing that we're going to do when we are done with this, we are going to go back and click share top right and then download this. Guys, do make sure that it's not an MP4, it is a PNG, because it is supposed to be a picture, not a video. So now that we have the picture, it looks like this, we are happy with this. So the next step, we are going to go to animated drawings, which is the site where we're going to make our pictures move. So you click get started, and then you click upload photo, and then you upload the photo that we've just created. So now that we have this photo uploaded here, then we click next. So when you click next again, it will ask you to select the picture that you want to focus on. We want to focus on grapes because we cannot talk for all three fruits. So we're starting with grape, and then you click next. So when you click next, it will allow you. So this is where you will just basically remove. If you see anything that you need to edit, you can just edit there. And then here you're finding join characters. Here your character you can just prepare. So now when it comes to here, you would see that you can change the different movements of this picture by just selecting on the left hand side. So for me, for now, I selected jump, so that's why it is jumping. So you click share, and then you click download. So we are done with the grapes. So the next one that we're going to do is the apple one. So you do the same thing, but then I am going to do it with you so that you see. So I've uploaded the picture, and the next thing, click I agree, and then you're going to select the one that you want to focus on. For me, it is the apple. And then after you click next, so let's select Apple and then click next. And then the character joins, we are also not going to do anything because we are happy with our join. So you click next, and then you select the movement that you want. So you can even click funny, dance, and then after you click share, and then you click download. So we do have for the Apple. So you do the same thing for the next one. I am not going to do that for you. So the next step is to find a voice for your character. You can use your own voice, but I am going to use 11 labs. So 11 labs, so we have different people who are already using their voice. So we just use a text to speech prompt. So this is an AI site. So you just click there, and then you must click on speech synthesis. I'm going to show you. So you go to your words, and then you go and copy that from ChatGPT. This is your script. You just copy that and put it in a Word document, align everything so that you know how your characters are going to speak. So I have that, and then I'm just going to copy what I need. For example, the opening scene, this is where the person is actually introducing, not even a person, the fruit is actually introducing. You paste that, and then to change the voice, you click where I showed you. So I'm using Gigi.
You're small and sweet and perfect for a quick bite. Wow, look at all these amazing fruits. Remember, eating a variety of fruits.
So now that you see that Gigi, this is the voice that she used, so you can check other voices as well and select. So we go back to Canva. So now that we have the voice, we're going to upload all these voices and all the pictures that are dancing, guys, animated pictures. So you click upload on your left hand side, and then I have all my pictures and the sound as well. So the next thing is going to search for kids background, because we do need a background. If it's blank, it's not going to be interesting. So I am going to select this background, and then the next thing I'm going to grab the Apple one, because I am going to start with Apple and then place it where I want to, and then right click and click edit photo, and then remove background, because as you can see the background, it is now white. I do not want that. I want the background to be transparent. So the background is now transparent. I am going to align everything the way I want it to be aligned. So now that we have that, guys, so we can start adding the voice, guys. Remember the voice from speech synthesis, by just adding the text, it converted. So you can just play and listen to your voice and also your character. So when it starts talking about grapes, guys, you have to align and move the video. So and just move it to make sure that it is fine, guys. So I've added another scene. This is how you edit. You add the background as well, and then after you just continue by adding the character that you want to add and remove background. And after removing background, it is ready to speak. You get the voice that you want to focus on. So when it speaks about grapes, you are going to put it there, guys. So let's just edit the video, remove the background, so you can it can be clear and transparent. You can also do things like adding voice words, especially for people who can't hear music. So if they see the words, they will learn as well. So which is more market for your video. So now that we are done adding and editing the background, we can continue by just aligning everything the way we want it to be aligned, and add the voice for the grapes, guys. At the bottom, you add the voice at the bottom. So we are happy with this. So we're going to add another scene for, obviously, for Pierre, and I am going to finish that so that we can add. So we add the audio at the bottom. So can you see we add the audio at the bottom? So there's another thing that we're going to do. We're going to add the audio, the background music, to make it more interesting. We're also going to add the background music, and I am going to show you where to get that music. So for now, grapes is speaking, so we just continue like that until we are happy. So you can even add things like your subscribe to my channel, thank you for watching my video. So you can just add any character by just going to elements and add even more like your character. So now I am going to combine all three fruits. So they're probably saying this is a good way to stay healthy, eat your fruits, but then you'll hear the video at the end. So here, removing all the background, and then I am going to make these all three jump, and then I've added smileys and subscribe, and then let's just go and get background music. For those who are interested, you go to YouTube and then you click YouTube Studio, and after clicking YouTube Studio, you check on your left hand side. On your left hand side, you would see audio. So audio library, and then you just select audio library, and you'll be able to select music. So if you go and get music somewhere else, it is going to charge you. So here is through music, you're not going to get copyright claim. So you can just select whatever you want, kids or lion, whatever you want, guys, you can just add. And then when you are happy with whatever you want to download, you can just click download and download the music, guys, and go edit on Canva. So now that we are happy with our video, I've added African music at the end. So I am added that. Then you just click share and download. Now we're downloading a video, not a picture, because we have a video. So guys, now that we are done, let me just show you the final results. I must say I am happy with my work. So you can do this for any other characters. So yeah, let's just listen to the final video.
Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Eating Fun with Fruits. Today, we're going to learn about some delicious and healthy fruits. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, we have a crunchy and juicy apple. Apples come in many colors like red, green, and yellow. They're great for a snack and super healthy. Here we have grapes. Grapes can be green, red,